So, good day, sir. I'm Kieran Keldesagon. 19 years old. I'm from ES Info 2A section. So, I'll discuss all about multimedia. So, ano ba yung multimedia? Slash, what is multimedia? So, multimedia is a way of sharing information using more than one types of media. So, such as, meron dyan is yung text, pictures, audio, videos, sa animation. So, examples ng multimedia is maybe the commercials, animation videos sa YouTube, maybe anime, those such things, mga ganun. So, why is multimedia important in your studies slash educations? So, multimedia is important in educations because it helps explain lessons more clearly. Pictures and videos makes difficulty more easier to understand, keep students interested, and help them remember what they learn better. So, kaya importante itong multimedia is mabilis mag-gets ng mga students or mas mabilis mag-gets ng mga students yung tinuturo mo, and mas sila like hindi sila madidistract. I mean, eye-catching ba? Ganun types. Like, makukuha mo yung attention ng mga students mo. And mas mabilis tatatak sa isip nila yung tinuro mo. So, example na nagagamit mo dito is like yung PowerPoint presentation, like pre-recorded videos, and mga YouTube tutorials, ganun, videos. So, yun lang. So, thank you, sir. So, yun lang po. Pictures, audio, sound, audio nga, tapos video, tapos animation. So, pangalawa is, why is multimedia important in your studies slash education? So, multimedia is important in education because it helps explain lessons more clearly. Pictures and videos makes difficult topics easier to understand, keeps students interested, and helps them remember what they learn better. Tanga na, 1 minute.